How to identify common desert plants in Phoenix preserves. Imagine walking through the warm, sun-drenched trails of Phoenix mountain preserves and wondering what plants surround you. The Sonoran Desert is full of fascinating plants that have adapted to survive in tough conditions. Learning how to recognize them makes your outdoor adventures more exciting and meaningful. Let's explore simple ways to identify these desert plants during your hikes. First, look at the overall shape and size of the plant. Is it tall and columnar like a saguaro cactus or short and rounded like a barrel cactus? Saguaros are usually over 10 feet tall with arms that curve upward. Barrel cacti are cylindrical and often grow close to the ground. Notice if the plant has ribs or grooves on its surface, which is common in many cacti. Count the ribs if you can, as this can help tell different types apart. Next, examine the leaves or stems. Many desert plants have tiny, tough, or waxy leaves to conserve water. For example, the creosote bush has small, dark green leaves that are very tough and often covered with a resin that helps reduce water loss. The brittle bush has silvery gray leaves with a soft texture and bright yellow flowers in spring. Some plants like the Palo Verde have green bark instead of leaves, which they use for photosynthesis. When flowers are present, note their color and shape. Desert marigolds have bright yellow blooms, while fairy dusters are pink and fluffy. Check for thorns or spines, especially on shrubs and small trees. Cacloacacia has curved thorns that look like claws and yellow flowers that bloom in spring. These spines protect the plant from animals and help shade the plant's surface. Be cautious around thorny plants and avoid touching them. Wildflowers bloom mainly after rain, so spring is the best time to spot bright orange Mexican gold poppies or yellow desert marigolds. These flowers grow in open, sunny areas and can be quite showy. When identifying wildflowers, look at their petal shape and color, and see if they grow in clusters or alone. Trees like the mesquite have feathery leaves and produce long bean pods. Ironwood trees have gray bark and pale purple or white flowers. The Palo Verde's green bark and small leaves make it stand out in the landscape. When you're out on the trail, start by noting the plant's overall from tall, short, bushy, or sprawling. Look closely at the leaves. Are they tiny, absent, or replaced by spines? Observe the flower's color and shape. Touch the bark gently to feel its texture. These simple clues help you identify desert plants confidently. Always stay on designated trails to protect the fragile desert environment. Do not pick or remove plants, as many are protected species. Bring plenty of water, wear sun protection, and avoid hiking during the hottest part of the day. Learning to recognize these plants not only makes your hikes more fun but also helps you appreciate the unique beauty of Phoenix's desert landscape. With a little practice, you'll start noticing the different shapes, colors, and textures that make the Sonoran Desert special.